Hello, friends, and welcome back again to our channel, K2 and Family. I hope you all are doing well by the grace of God. Well, in today's vlog, we have come with a small back memories. Back memories, Modaro. Kisha ke Baltimage
Baptism.
baptism, Kalami, like her baptism. We are sharing a little bit of memories of her with you guys because you all always show so much of love and so much of love towards Kisha and Angel. Angel, like muttu art also pahil zala Baltim and teke Baltim zalle goya.
I was just going through some of the videos, photos, and I just came through Kisha's baptism videos and some of the videos and photos. But then I said, okay, it's better we share that with you all because it's a great memory, and as you all love Kisha, you all love Angel, so we wanted to share that with you all.
Yes, and as you all know, at that time when Kisha's baptism took place, we were not doing vlogging or we did not do any
Yes.
videos or anything. We just there was a photographer. Seraphin was our photographer, so he did a photography, and friends and family, whoever made small videos, they shared with us. So we had only those kind of few videos which we have put at the end of the vlog. But the pictures we have shared with you all flood back from the albums. So you all will know like the champagne was popped by my friend Savio and like my Mashan,
Yeah,
my
she did the
mom's
tour.
cousin, she had done a toast. Another mom's cousin, she did raised after meal. So like, and there were games like tingani ek photo achi tesko hate American pida with a feeder.
Yeah.
So we had to put beer inside and we had put small hole
Mhm.
and whoever finishes first they will win a prize and all.
Yeah.
Sprout prizes like like Frida and Francis
Francis.
they performed well. Was very nice. The reason why we did it in May on May 26th is because it was my mom's birthday. I wanted Kisha's birthday. Kisha was born in January 29 and a baptism was celebrated. She was baptized on May 26th
26.
because May 26th is my mom's birthday and it was the year before like she passed away. So we wanted in her memory, like after mom passed away, the first child who was born in my family was like Kisha. And everyone said like, okay, she's coming to face of mom, and she's got a habit like her, much demanding ahate, same like my mom. And Bob Mata, Tapopa Chambi, like she year and a half minute again, but yes, that is the thing, and that's the reason like we wanted to get my like mama's birthday and Kisha's baptism will be a memorable day. As because anything that we have done, we always have those memories in our life.
Yes. Even
Like
Angel's time, like we Angel going alole and like I'm going kelolo, and he had come to Goa and also I think I'm celebrate kelole. And there also I'm got a videography na photography, no? We had.
yeah, but Chopa Gela to actually I'm get kaza ligot. My civil was on my birthday. Yeah, civil zala than gele.
Yeah.
आणि मागीर सिव्हिल जावन मागीर रोकडे काजू जालें नेक्स्ट इयर ते नादियागे बर्थडे दीस जालें सो ते जालें मागीर एंजलागे बाल्तीम जालो तो नायजेलागे
Angela
बर्थडे दीस जाला
birthday.
कळ्ळें तुका किशागे बाल्तीम जालो तो मामागे बर्थडे दीस जाला सो एनीथिंग that we try to have those kind of like okay बाबा अमक्यागे दिसा हे कितें स्पेशल डे आहा पळय तेन्ना हें कोत्ता आमी सो उगडास आसता आनी या Kisha's we will share sometimes later on with you the first journey of
Yes.
Kisha
Mhm.
coming to this world. It was a joyful moment तो मागीर घालतलो because of baptism म्हूण एसो गायला मी तितून सांगोना का तूं सारको हांव तेन्ना हांव नाद्या एकली आनी सारकें ते एक्सायटमेंट I was like looking forward because I wanted girls म्हाका सदांच
Yes. Even
चेडूं
Angel's time, like going alone and amka gender sangna. Inga Kisha timer, I've never asked for the gender because I wanted it to be a surprise because it's God's will. We don't have to it's fun korpa poiling because dress adpa yadpa. But then I and casually decided we don't wanted to see the gender. Kono is alles they then and we would accept that But Angel's time also like I'm hobonna loli. But when the doctor said it's a girl, like Cashley started crying, it was like the Bairu Astalo, I think even when I was in the Bailanu Nidon Astalo, it was and the day when I was supposed to go to the hospital, he gave me a surprise that he came there,
Yeah.
Kisha's time also same thing, like Kisha zale and chodu zale, like and he could see me, like delivering the baby, like mine was C-section, and
Yeah.
he saw the whole process, how the baby comes out and everything, like
Literally, like, I
yeah.
made the biggest mistake because uh, when Kisha was like Angel at Amal, when they told me, I'm always very fond of girls, like, baby
Yes.
girls who are lole. When Angel was the first time when she was, oh, our all of them, literally I cried when nurse came outside and said, people, Chodu sala, chali dalia, kiti malishe maka, chali dalia. And I was like, moko जायन झालं ते हे करपा आवय आणि ते जालें मागीर सेकंड टायम आमी जाता तेन्ना म्हाका इट वॉज लायक म्हाका हांवें सगळें आजचे चेडो हाडाय की
Yeah.
कम ऑन गायज चेडो हाडाय चेडो हाडाय कितें हांव हें
Still now people tell us, okay, now Kisha, no, not third number. I said no.
no
Now
I make
two girls are
I
enough.
see what I believe is like I say I've got two girls. I'm very proud of it. Very much proud of it. Chada Halolo, I would be proud as well. Not that I would not be proud because my child at the end
Yes.
of the day. But what I say is, I know that I'm going to make my daughters so strong that they are going to be equal to 10 boys. So that is what I look forward. Like my girls are not easy. So if you say that okay, chada halala yaso no, nah, that's good nite. Make your girls as strong because I feel like okay, girls they are daddy's girls. They are always daddy's girls. Boys, bak sada bada chada dal dal to mange astalo manan. Mama's boy gota
And I don't regret that I don't have a son, or like you see
manan.
my sister-in-law has a son, like Joy, she has a son, Delilah has a son, like
Yeah.
Natasha has two sons now. They are my children, like
घरात आमगे चेडे आया ऐसे नाही नी
they are my
मुगे बहिणीगे
children,
भुरगे
so
आहाय
they
मुगे
ched mugale ched आता.
ते
So
ते
it's
आमगेले
not
भुरगे
like maka tek ched zai I have to go for another child, and like God forbid nanek chod zale, so I have to go for another child. No, because burgya pospakui and thank mukar orpa is a big responsibility, and we feel that we are happy with our two kids, two daughters, and that's it.
that's why I want to make
Yes.
them strong as much as like you bring 10 boys and mix 10 in front of them they're going to be equal to 10 of them so I have no regrets and no any like that there poile astale I think so maybe in that olden days like and there those things people keep on talking and they magdi se carry forward dala
Maybe.
chade kaso boro I mean go chinna family nam karo tolo ya tolo
Yeah.
Inga, in this, I don't know because I think so. The next generation, like Angel, like the children that are born now, they which they go forward, they will not even care about this boy, girl, what this, that. Nobody will care about it. I think so. We come backlog ulle pe. They still have that thing. Now mukaro pa chada haloye te. Actually, also but aspa hai. Like
Yeah.
any child you have, it's a grace of God. Boy or a girl. Maybe there are two boys. Hal dog cheda stala maka. ऐसे नहीं कि मग छोड़ू ना मग चेडे मग छोड़ू ना that's नहीं. Boys are boys. And I will make them also strong. Every child is special, but it's not that like okay. छोड़ो हलाले तोकुली सोकुला बाबा चेडा हले
Yeah.
तोकुली
It's
वेरगाडो.
God's gift, and we have to accept it
If
joyfully.
it's girl, I'll look like this. If it's boy, I will look like this. But definitely, I will never look like this. But I know my children will never do that for me. Because that much I want to do. But yes, guys, so this
Yes.
whole vlog is about like Kisha's baptism. We're going to share some pictures
Yeah,
with you all.
pictures who came for the
Yeah,
baptism
like
and
Nadia's family is there, my family is there, family and friends are there.
yes.
My
Only my
ex,
brother was missing there because
yeah,
he's in Goa, and yes, Cashly's mom, my dad, they are like they are in heaven, so we miss them, like yeah.
yeah, they definitely wherever they stand, they always
Yes.
send blessings
And we
back
missed
with them.
my like Cashly's my who's
She is a
back
star
in
of
Goa.
my this. गे माय तुम मेडपास आहे.
Yeah.
माय गेन गोय होतलो नाही त्यांना तू मेडतलो. ती मुगे माय तू she's a rock star. She's a rock star. So guys, I hope you'll enjoy this watching Kisha's baptism, a small memory to share with our K12 family.